Nuts, a brain-boosting snack for cognitive health. Regarding brain health, few foods pack as much punch as nuts. Among them, walnuts are an especially powerful ally for your mind. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and DHA, walnuts offer nutrients that nourish the brain and protect it against cognitive decline. What makes walnuts good for brain health? Walnuts have long been celebrated as a brain food, and science backs this up. Their nutrient profile uniquely supports cognitive function and long-term mental clarity. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in walnuts, play a critical role in brain health by supporting brain cell structure. Omega-3s are integral to cell membranes in the brain, enhancing communication between neurons. They facilitate the transmission of signals, improving focus and memory, reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the brain can lead to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. D-docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is an omega-3 fatty acid vital for brain development and function. It contributes to improved memory. DHA supports the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Neuroprotection. It shields brain cells from oxidative stress and damage. Cognitive resilience. DHA is linked to slower cognitive decline with age. Benefits of walnuts for the brain. Including walnuts in your diet can lead to sharper memory. Enhanced neuron communication supports better recall and learning. Reduced stress. The healthy fats in walnuts may lower cortisol levels, helping you stay calm and focused. Better mood. Omega-3s are known to influence mood, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression positively. How to add walnuts to your diet. Walnuts are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into daily meals. Snacks. Enjoy a handful of raw walnuts as a midday snack. Breakfast. Sprinkle crushed walnuts over oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls. Salads. Add walnuts for a crunchy texture and nutty flavor. Baked goods. Incorporate walnuts into muffins, cookies, or banana bread. Pesto or sauces. Use walnuts as a base for creamy, nutrient-packed sauces. Are other nuts good for brain health? While walnuts are particularly beneficial, nuts like almonds, cashews, and pistachios also support brain health. They contain vitamin E, antioxidants, and healthy fats, which help protect brain cells and improve cognitive function. Final thoughts: nuts, especially walnuts, are a must-have for anyone looking to boost their brain health. Their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids and DHA makes them a powerful ally against cognitive decline, stress, and memory loss.